Hi, my name is Renuka and I am from 10th standard. My school name is SSD Vidyaniketan Panduri.
Hi, I am Sanjayani. I am from 10th standard.
Have you ever thought about impact of Sant on Maharashtra culture and heritage?
Definite the Sant like Naneshwar, Tukaram and Ramdas have played significantly role in the spherical out Santa's significant.
It's a true. Their writings and teachings way about people think about spirituality.
We have various function and celebrate throughout the year that annual our sons.
Yes. Like a Pandharpur Wari, that shows the legacy of Maharashtra.
What about the Hilda Santa Askedet? What about sons?
We have places like Alandi, Pandharpur, that steep in history, and they are important in culture and heritage of Maharashtra.
The teaching our sons Naneshwari and commentary on the Bhagavad Gita.
Also in 13th century, Sant Ramdas Swami, who admired the Shivaji Maharaj Empire of Maratha. And this Sant also significant contribution in Marathi literature, like started the tradition of Kirtan, Bharud, etc.